we out here at 6651 Customs, powder coating. We're about to take in my sister's valve cover. I don't know what color she's gonna decide, but yeah. So let's go in there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So got great news. Like I said on the other video, my car was gonna be done in a few days. It is currently 4:45. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So my sisters, we dropped off, like I said, we dropped off my sister's valve cover to get powder coated. She was choosing a color with pearls. It was gonna look nice, but they told us that it was gonna take some time because they gotta wait for the supplies and then start on getting it powder coated. And she has a meet coming up real soon that she's gonna be going with her car. We pretty much couldn't wait, so we decided to go with just one color. You guys will see it soon. It should be done Saturday, which tomorrow technically, because today is Friday. So hopefully this video goes up either Friday or it's gonna go up Saturday. So by the time you guys see this, I probably already picked up the valve cover. And so yeah, I'm gonna go pick him up, and then also I'm gonna try to hit up Auto Addicts to see if they have time to install my hood pins today. If they don't, then I'm gonna have to go another day to California to get that installed. And so we made it, guys. We're here at RD Performance, waiting for him to get here. Got here a little bit early, just 10 minutes. Cool little SS out here. Oh, I think he's just pulling up right now. What's up, Ryan?
You just get here?
Yeah.
How was the drive?
Not too bad.
No? What is it, like 3 hours?
Yeah. From his house exactly 3 hours.
Oh, nice. What was it? What was it doing before when you said it was running weird?
It was just cutting off.
When?
Like in the beginning, like first gear. Like
Really?
Yeah. Like it would just be like in the, once it gets to the 4,000 RPMs, it's fine. It just goes back to normal. But
so
like
below that it was running weird?
Yeah.
I drove it around, I didn't feel anything, but I want you to drive it around just to be sure.
Hopefully soon.
Shit. That sounds so messy, dude. I haven't had time to clean. It's been like freaking jacked up.
It's alright.
It's like people come here and I'm like, there, you know what I mean? Barely have to pick up.
But it's only you, right?
Yeah.
So that's why.
Yeah. That shit laying everywhere. I gotta clean up. Actually, I should probably do that today. Just need to like stop working and just do that. But oh yeah, I turn on the computer.
So how much boost is it making?
I want to say it's like 10, right about 10 pounds. It was making like 8 before or something like that. That's all it was making before. It's like that pulley's like 2-3 more pounds of boost than what it is.
Oh, okay.
So sometimes the dyno doesn't. You don't know how often I get it. Is on the dyno I see like 10 pounds, and then actually I have another car. I seen like 14 pounds on his, and he's like, "No, dude, I see 20 on the street." I'm like, "There's no fucking way. How's it vary that much?" You know?
Yeah.
So so the highest I see here was 610 before, 610, 630. And now 640. Okay, so this one only shows you made 20 more horsepower and 20 more foot-pounds of torque, which is incorrect, right? So there's different ways of manipulating the computer and shit to show different numbers, and I had it set up wrong before. So this is corrected, but it was, let me show you uncorrected so you can see the difference. So, correction temperature. So I had, okay, so right here, this is before any corrections. So before you're at 570 and now you're 639. And same with torque, 592 and 650 now. So if I were to give you the numbers, so that other one I showed you, 610. So check it out. So this is uncorrected. This is uncorrected. This is before, this is now. So we had a multiplier in there at 1.067. Okay?
Okay.
So if you want to see what it was before, I'm sorry, what the numbers would have been now from before, you know what I mean? If how I had it set up before, we'd be at, so 639 times 1.067. You'd be like 682 if I had the dyno set up the same way. So it's a lot more. Like I'm telling you, just seat of the pants, just don't get stuck on dyno numbers. You'll be like, oh fuck, it's a different car, dude, I promise. But it just, how shit was set up before I didn't like, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of bullshit. So I don't even know how hot it was in here when we were in here testing before. So that's where you, let's stick with these numbers. Before you made 572 and now you made 638. Let's stick with those numbers now. So that's like uncorrected, you know what I mean? Because even corrected now with how cold it is in here, corrected now would be like 615, 620. It actually brings the horsepower down, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So don't get stuck on dyno numbers, just go drive the car. Let me know if that what you were talking about is gone. I'm telling you, be careful. You like blow the tires off like crazy now. I don't mean you know so much. No, that's careful, dude. Like, yeah.
Yeah, so when I put it like, I take off everything, and I put it, you know how you could double tap the traction so you could put it like in race mode?
Yeah.
That's when it mostly does it.
I don't even know how to do that race mode. I never use it.
So, but yeah, it feels crazy.
Did you hit the gas at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. It just like blows the tires off now. It's like, dude, these tires just feel like they're on ice. Ugh. So right now it's in race mode?
Yeah. Everything's ready.
So just taking off regular?
Yeah, so you were to like get it like rolling like how we are right now, and then floor it does it. You just hear the like it's breaking up and then it goes after that.
I think, are you sure trash control's all the way off with that mode? Because I've had it in track mode before on just the regular, like, let's see. So if you just floor it from now?
Yeah.
I think that's a launch control mode.
You think so?
Watch. Just take that shit off. I don't even know how to get that shit off. How do you get, you have rev match on?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. So now hold this, take it all the way off again. It's that fuck. I I think it's like a traction mode it's giving it or something.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's trying to, that's pulling timing, trying to get it to hook. It's like a competition mode. You don't want that shit, dude. That's what that is.
Oh, that's what I was wondering.
So now it's just off.
Okay.
Now if I just floor it right now. That's what it is. It's just that fucking mode. It's trying to, so let me it's trying to make it hook. Why is it pulling to the right so bad? Does it normally do that?
It probably needs alignment.
Fuck. I don't remember feeling that when I drove it the other day. I want to check the tires and make sure all the tires are torqued down. Okay. It's cold, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
See what I mean by it just spins? I was just pedaling it. Just blows the tires off nasty. So let me look at that track mode and see.
Alright. Yeah, because I was like,
fuck that, stay in the sun. It's cold.
Okay, so now I know not to use that. Alright.
So, how do you do it? I don't remember.
Oh, so you
track mode?
Track.
And then you hit it twice?
Yeah, you hit it twice. And then there. Go to race mode.
Oh, shit.
And then you press select.
And that's when it's doing it.
Yeah, that's when it only does it. It only does it right there. That's why when I was showing Marvin, so it did that like a lot. So that's why I was like, oh.
So I think what that's doing is trying to get the tires to stay planted so it doesn't spin.
Okay.
So I think that's why it's doing that. But honestly, I never used that mode. So I know there's no adjustments in there that I can make to fix that, because that's like background shit. That's like GM shit. Like HP Tuners doesn't support like adjusting race mode and shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you're I guess read up on that and see what that mode, what it activates, because it's got to be giving it, trying to make it get traction, because it's like you're trying to race. You know what I mean? I think when you get a good tire on it, track mode, hold it just like this. You don't. Well, yeah. I mean, you know how to take traction control off without going to that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just go here, track. Oh shit, and hold it.
Okay.
Until it's all off.
Okay.
That's what I tell all my customers to race in right there. Is just fucking, that's raw. That'll get you. I mean, you've seen it. Like if I fucking fucked up, it would have crashed. You know, you would have crashed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said it's pretty scary without the tire.
Yeah, that's why I told you, be careful. Like you see right there what it can do. Yeah. I don't know how good of a driver you are. I'm not saying you're not a shitty driver or a good driver. I don't know. But that's why I tell people, be careful. Because like if you have any less talent, like you know how quick it is to take it into a curb or a car or something. You know what I mean? So, and that wasn't even just in it. That was like you heard it. What, you know? So just want you guys to be careful. Like you know, you heard about Trenton, right?
Yeah.
So
crazy.
Shit like that, it just scares me, dude. You guys are good people, and just want you guys to be good, you know? All right, so I think you're good.
I'm already gonna start heading back to Vegas. And as you guys can see, it's a 4-hour drive because of traffic in the beginning, which sucks. But yep.
Seen a bitch cooking no pennies. It's 4-5 do damage. Pulling on the 5-star finish. But you got dope, so
Hear me now.
So we are back, guys, and as you can tell, we did pick up my sister's valve cover, like in the early video that we posted, that we dropped this off at. We dropped it off to get powder coated, so we did get it back already. It's wrapped, so I can't really, I could wrap it, but we kind of want to keep it from getting scratched again for now. So it came out so good though. Hopefully you guys can still kind of see it. Powder coated white. We were gonna do pearl on it, add some teal pearl on it, but there's an event coming up for here, and we kind of want to have the car ready for this event. That's why we're waiting for more parts to come in. Hopefully they come in time. And yeah, so we just did it plain white. So we need to go get a brand new gasket from Honda and stuff. So yeah, just want to give a huge shout out to 6651 Customs here in Vegas for doing an amazing job. So And there's that. I don't have a dyno sheet like last time to show you guys how much she made, but it is on a Mustang dyno, so it's kind of like it's a disappointing dyno. That's what Ryan calls it. He kind of really wants me to put it on DynoJet to actually get, if I care about numbers, I probably might do it just to show you guys how much she's really making. But yeah, car is amazing. I really do need to get a tire now because it spins like crazy. This is what I'm running. See, methanol, Torco racing fuel. So let me show you guys how Ryan did it. So he has, as you guys can see, there's two lights right here. Once the red one turns fully on, that means I'm running low. Gotta add some right away. The white ones, when I floor it, it turns on. That means methanol is actually getting injected in the side. And then the control button, oh, you guys can't really see it, but it's under the steering wheel. So gotta leave that alone. And this is how he did the setup. So it runs through here and here. It uses the wiper washer fluid tank to fill it up. So sweet. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I have a green belt. I did upgraded my upper pulley, so that's sweet. So like I said, she's making amazing power. Probably you guys might kind of know how much she's probably making just by the setup I've been doing already. And yeah, I'll give a huge shout out to Ryan for getting my car running good and everything. Check him out at RD Performance _. So he does really good work. And apparently I thought I always had an issue with my car with the breaking up, but I don't know if you guys could see on the video, he was talking about it. I guess the track mode activates traction control, so it doesn't really take it off completely. So don't worry guys, I will be posting more video of me driving the car and having some fun in Mexico. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.